Yeah, we'll see about that. We got our balls set up on our ladder, and I'm gonna use this to shoot at them. We're gonna leave them in the package for easy cleanup, potentially. First, we have to do the drop test. Hey, get back here. So we lost some paint, but it did not shatter. Now let's see how shatter-proof they really are. That doesn't sound good. Not so shatterproof. I don't know if they're allowed to advertise shatterproof anymore. Hobby Lobby is wrong. Oh well, Merry Christmas. Yeah, it's shattered.